Hey, what's up YouTube? It's your boy Jam0510 with another quick unboxing video. But before I start, thank all my viewers, my subscribers for your support. Really appreciate it. And if you're brand new to my channel, if you like what I'm doing, if you guys can hit that subscribe button. And also really appreciate if you guys can hit that thumbs up. This one is coming from Adidas. So let's crack this open right here. You know, I've had this for a couple days, but just been busy with the holidays and stuff like that. So just never had a chance to actually open it. Okay. See what's inside. Let's see, it is a Yeezy box right here. Another 350, Yeezy Boost 350, V2, size 10.5, and this is, I don't even know what kind of colors they actually have this listed at, but these should be the blue tints. So let's crack this open right here. Slide out box with the paper, and here they are. Right here. And based off of the tag right here, they have a chip now. You know, I guess like that you can scan or something. But there seems to be like a chip now on these shoes. So here they are right here. As you can see the bottom, it does have a light blue tint to it. You got the boost, visible boost right there, and then the lining, you do have again like the blue tint to it. Even the laces, you know, a very light blue. So you got the red hits, then you know the Supply 350, same thing over here on that one. But as I mentioned, basically on the, I guess the US version of the shoes, on this tag right here, there's like a chip that you can kind of see, you know, inside the tag. I'm not really sure what that's for, but you can kind of see like the outline of it on the actual tag itself. That's why they have the RFID labeling right there on the corner. But you know, you got inside, you do have the Adidas Yeezy. But so just a quick look at the blue tint, Yeezy 350 V2. Probably have seen a lot of these already because you know they did produce a lot of this shoe. Not as much as the Beluga 2.0, but they still did produce a lot though. Alright YouTube, if you guys have any questions, hit me up, leave me a comment or inbox me. You can also follow me on social media. I'll have all the links in the description. Alright YouTube, peace out.